Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Padsicles, the best thing to make and use after giving birth. The things you will need are aloe gel, witch hazel, lavender oil, maxi pads. I chose these pads because they are chlorine free with no synthetic pesticides, dyes, or fragrances. And optional things are a Tupperware or a Ziploc bag and aluminum foil. First step is to take out how many pads you are going to use to make your Padsicles. Today I'm making 10. Open up the pad and the wings. Make sure you keep the wrapper on the wings to close later. Next, apply aloe gel. Next, pour witch hazel along the pad. Next, add a few drops of lavender oil. This step is optional. I like to take a plastic knife and spread the aloe gel all around the pad like this, kind of like making a peanut butter sandwich. Next, close up the wings and the pad. Another optional step I like to do is wrap the pad with aluminum foil to keep it closed and sanitary when you freeze them inside your freezer. To keep all the Padsicles together, you can store them in a Ziploc bag or Tupperware. Last, toss them in your freezer until you need to use them when you come home from the hospital after giving birth. Make sure you label them so your husband and kids know that it is not food. I hope you guys found this video helpful. See you guys next time. Bye.